Welcome to our lesson on the long I silent E. Today we're going to focus on trading the sound chip for our long I spelling chip. Watch me, it's my turn. The first word is while. I'll build the words with the sound chips and then make the trade. I'll finger stretch while. I'll. 3 sounds. Watch me pull down the chips. An orange chip for W, a green chip for I, and a blue chip for ul. I'll. Now I'll trade the sound chip for the spelling chip because I hear the long I sound. That's going to be spelled long I with a silent E at the end. Notice the E is attached, and it does not occupy its own box. The final E is not pronounced, and I touch the letters I and E with my fingers in a V shape. I'll. Now let's look at how we would spell this word. There are 3 sounds, I'll, so I'll need 3 boxes. The first sound is W, and it's spelled with a W-H. That's why we used our consonant digraph chip. The next sound is I, and it's spelled with an I consonant E, but we're not going to add the E yet. The last sound is ul, so I'll spell it with an L. But in order for this word to make the long I sound, we have to add the silent E into the last box. While. Remember, the silent E in the bottom right corner does not get its own box because it does not represent a sound in this pattern. Let me show you a word that does not have the long I silent E. The word is wilt. First, I'll finger stretch. Ilt. 4 sounds. A blue chip for W, a red chip for I, because that is the short vowel sound, a blue chip for ul, and a blue chip for t. Ult. Wilt. This does not follow the long I silent E pattern, so there's 1 red sound chip to represent the short vowel sound. Let's try another word. This time we'll start by writing the word. The word is spelled W-I-N-E. Now I'll write the word. The letter W goes in the first box. The letter I goes in the next box. The letter N goes in the last box. And because we have our I sound, we have to add our silent E at the end. Now I'll move the chips. A blue chip for W. A green long vowel silent E chip for I, and a blue chip for N. Wine. Wine follows our pattern because we have 1 long vowel sound spelled with the letter I and a silent E at the end.